Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find notifications and control center. Then let's scroll to find the status bar. And as you can see here, we've got the battery indicator. After tapping on it, we can choose from 3 different options. Only the battery indicator, the percentage inside the battery icon, which I've got currently applied, or outside the battery icon, and it will be displayed right next to the battery indicator. So it's up to you which option you prefer to use. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.